Hello friends, in this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the Boeing 737 aircraft with particular focus on the Boeing 737 MAX. So please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And in the end of the video I will ask you a quiz question and please answer that question in the comment section. Thank you very much. So let's get started. So first of all I will go into the history of this Boeing 737 aircraft. Boeing 737 is an aircraft which is the most widely used aircraft in commercial aviation history. This aircraft came into being in its first flight in 1968 by Lufthansa. Over the course of the time, many models of 737 have been developed, and these models include Boeing 737 200, 300, 400, and 500 series. And the first family of the Boeing 737 is traditionally known as Classic Series. In 1990, the second family of Boeing 737 were made, and this included Boeing 737 600, 737 700, 800, and 900 variants. So the Boeing 737 remained an undisputed aircraft in single aisle category. The first major competitor of this family of aircraft came in 1988 when Airbus from France introduced the Airbus A320 family. But still, despite the existence of Airbus and its rapid climb in commercial aviation, Boeing 737 still enjoyed a lot of sales and revenue. So in its history, Boeing 737 has met two major issues. The one in the 1990s and the one as we see now speaking in 2019 right now. So what happened was in 1990s a lot of Boeing a couple of Boeing 737 fell out of the sky, nose down, and killed a lot of people. So when investigation was done, it was found out that this is due to problems in the rudder. So this problem was fixed, and then again Boeing 737 sales again skyrocketed, and it enjoyed a lot of popularity amongst the airlines. During this time in 1990s 2000s, Airbus A320 also gained a lot of momentum, and it kind of balanced the market. So half was with Boeing and half was with Airbus in this category. In 2010, a very major thing happened that Airbus introduced the A320 Neo family. This is a real game-changing aircraft, and with the introduction of Neo family, put a lot of pressure on Boeing to bring up the third family of Boeing 737. Airlines bought a lot of A320 Neos, and right now, as we speak in 2019, it's around 5,900 unfilled orders of A320, where the majority are A320 Neos. In 2017, Boeing launched the 737 MAX family, but unfortunately, just after 1 year, a 737 MAX from Lion Air Indonesia crashed, killing all people on board. At that time, some people pointed fingers at Boeing, but Boeing clearly said it's not responsible, and airlines carried on using this aircraft. But unfortunately, again in 2019, Ethiopian airline Boeing 737 crashed, and it killed also above 100 people. But this time, all the airlines in the world cancelled the 737 flights, and all of the 737 are grounded as we speak now. So the question comes, what's going on in this 737 MAX? So after investigation, they found out that the root cause of the problem is the MCAS system. MCAS stands for Maneuvering Characteristics Augmentation System. So friends, this is an anti-stall system. So first of all, we have to little bit understand, in case some of us don't know what stall is. In simple words, stall means that the airplane is not flying but falling to the ground like a rock, and it happens due to many factors, but mainly due to low speed or if it nose rises up too much. So when this is about to happen in 737 MAX, the MCAS system kicks in, and the pilot has absolutely no control on MCAS system. So what does MCAS system do? It pushes the nose down. But combine this with some other circumstances, it can happen that the airplane can hit the ground. So this is what exactly happened in Lion Air and in the Ethiopian air crash, combined with some other factors. So this unfortunate event resulted in grounding of the Boeing 737 cash cow, let's say, aircraft, and Boeing still needs time to recover. So what I see in future is that the 737 Max will definitely in 1 or 2 months come back into service, and the 737 Max sales will still go on, but this dent on 737 family means it's an end of this family. It's just about time in 1 year, 2 years, 5 years that Boeing discontinue this family, because it has been almost 50 years that the 737 family is going on and the same fuselage structure is still being used. It does not mean that it's not a safe aircraft. It's a super safe aircraft, but it's little bit less than A320 in terms of its performance and profitability for airliners. And in airline industry, every bit counts. So what I see in future is that Boeing 737 Max and other Max family will still go on, but Airbus A320 Neos will capture the whole market. And unless and until Boeing comes up with a new clean sheet design, it will have difficult time catching up this market. So thanks a lot, my friends. In the end, I would like to ask you one question. So please comment on this section, on this question in the comment section. So the question I want to ask you: what is the difference between MCAS and the stick shaker? If you know this answer, comment it, like the video. Thank you very much, and subscribe to my channel. All the best.